So quick update. I just started this automation and finishing building the Facebook ad library scraper for our outreach. And this scraper and this automation can scrape the Facebook page library. And also I added some filter to, to filter out the reseller, wholesaler, just only to keep the high value leads. And I'm just gonna show you quickly how it works. So it has a Google Sheet file. Let me open it here and we're gonna understand how it's done. So, you have to visit the first thing is the most important thing to do. You have to filter out what you want to target and what keyword you should use. So for example, if I open this ads library that I saved. So we are targeting the mostly the leads that are focused on medicines or pharmaceuticals, selling stomach bloating relief, like stomach relief, that kind of things. So it has this keyword. This is the main keyword, and we add the filters, and there are like 4,000 ads are running. And you have to just copy this link and put this link on here. That's all the things you need to do. Then after that, you have to go to the this automation and just click executing it, and it will get that add library link, and it will add a limit like how like for one run it will take one link. After that, it will update the row to modified. Like it will be set to scraped, so I can know later that is the links are already scraped by this automation. And we are using Amplify Facebook Ads Scraper, and you can add this limit here like 20. Like for testing, I added 20 leads per run, and the period is last 30 days. And after that, it will scrape the 20 ads from the Facebook ad library. And after that, I add a JavaScript code like manually filtering. There these ads, there are filled with so much wholesaler, retailer, and sometimes not a qualified lead for us. So I added the JavaScript code. I made it using the ChatGPT, and this code see through all the ads and check like how many ads a page is running currently. If the ads count is more than 5, then it kept those ads for me. And also there is another filter like called lead quality filter. Like after that, if a page is running more than five five ads, and it's also check those 5 ads to check if there are a reseller or wholesaler or a DTC brand. We are kind of focused on more high value client, high value Facebook page that can turn into a client in future. So it just qualified those leads for me, but checking some specific keywords. If I open the JavaScript code, it checks some these are the bad domains mostly used by wholesalers, and added some negative keywords that will skip that kind of leads and the ads for us. After if the page has more than 3,000 followers, it will add a score like 15 plus, or if it has a less than 1,000, yeah, then it will add just 5. Based on this score, it will just keep just the most high valuable leads for us. If I just run it for 1 sec, then you're gonna understand, like it will get the leads, and it scraped 20 leads for us. And from the 20 leads, the 20 page, the only 8 page is running more than 5 ads. And after in between 8 ads, only 3 pages are the most qualified leads for us, and other 5 items are like rejected leads. And I added to the Facebook ad info, and you can see these 3 leads. These are not wholesaler. These are the genuine brand, like a DTC brand, like targeting the customers directly. And they can be a really valuable client for us for the future. And these are the rejected leads that, and the scraper rejected, that filter that I added is kind of rejected leads. And most of these leads are going to the Amazon. So I don't want wholesalers actually. So it just kept out that kind of Amazon wholesaler, like possible wholesaler leads, and put it on this rejected leads. And see, this is the Amazon and this is kind of a wholesaler or drop shipping links and has not that much followers. Even they some wholesaler and reseller এবং dropshipper has more than the good amount followers, but I don't want to target them, so I added those kind of filters. This is the whole automation that I'm working. Just a quick update for you. And after that, after gathering all that kind of valuable links, we can add a scraper like scraping their website. It will get the leads and scrape those website for us, find some recent updates or some issues they are having, any leaks on their website that they are losing some money, and it will find those and give me a clean formatted data for make a personalized email for cold targeting. So that is the idea. If you let me know if you want the whole idea, and after I implement all of this I can share the main video. So thanks for watching. Bye, have a good day.